If validation rule is defined in a cell, then user enter invalid data in a cell. Error alert window will appear and show the message. To show error alert message, first activate cell. Then in a data tab, click data validation command. Click error alert tab. Make sure this box is checked. Then click style arrow button. There are three types of error alert style. I select stop style. In title box, type date. In error message box, type enter date values between January 1, 2019 to 10th January 2019. Click OK. If you type invalid date value in a cell, the stop alert style will not store the date value. Type 13 January in this cell. Press enter. Date windows open. Stop errors alert style show message enter date values between 1st January 2019 to 10 January 2019. Either you cancel or retry. Click cancel. Click data validation command. Click style arrow button. I select warning style. Click OK. Type 13 January in this cell. Press enter. Warning error alert style shows message. This style shows three options: yes, no, cancel. If you click yes, cell stores the invalid date value. So in warning error alert style, user can enter invalid data in a cell. Again active this cell. Click data validation command. Click style arrow button. I select information style. Click OK. Again type 13 January 2019 in this cell. Press enter. Information error alert style shows message. You have two options here. If user click cancel, cell will not store the invalid date value. If user click OK, cell accepts the invalid date value. So information error alert style, user can enter invalid date in a cell. In this way, you can alert the user by using error alert style.